Welcome to my channel where I share the price level through technical analysis. And well, in terms of sharing the analysis, a lot of people do, right? But what I do is different in terms of accuracy. That's totally different from those people who share the analysis, because the analysis which I am going to share with you, and in this video and in other videos also, I am using my own custom indicator. And in the analysis I will be talking about support and resistance, and do not think about those support and resistance as in just a normal support and resistance, because price has to respect those support and resistance. And if you guys can see, this is a daily time frame, this is a 4-hour time frame, this is 1-hour time frame, and this is 15-minute time frame. And each time frame, other than these, in all the other time frame, excluding even these uh, the available time frame which you guys can see in the screen, every time frame has its own price level which an asset has to break above the level or break below the level, and then only there are some major move which has to happen in the asset. Now in this today's analysis, which is BTC, I'm going to cover the weekly analysis, and I will be sharing some of the levels which BTC has to break, or break either for the upside or for the downside. And I mean, I've been talking about those levels, but this is going to be a weekly analysis, so I'm going to share those levels again. And let's start with a disclaimer. As I said, I am talking about some levels. That doesn't mean I am recommending or suggesting anyone to take action on the basis of those levels, because what in my experience, what I have noticed with those levels is those level come are most almost accurate. So I'm not suggesting anyone to take an action on the basis of the analysis which I will be sharing with those specific levels. Please do your own research and analysis for any sort of financial decision. So with that note, additionally, if you do like the videos, please like the videos and subscribe and click the notification for quick update about the whenever I'll upload the video, you'll get the notification. So with that note, let's start. So this analysis is a weekly analysis, and that's valid from, I mean, even that's valid from today, but I'm gonna take tomorrow, from Monday till what next, and the end of the week. But still, the levels which I am talking about is valid even after the after the weekend, after the ending of this week, those level will be valid as long as price respected, and then there is nothing new there in the levels. Because well, okay, let's start with the analysis. So what I've been talking about the Bitcoin and its price action, if I start with the daily time frame, let's start with this one. Okay, higher time frame, sort of when it comes to this daily time frame, what I've been talking about, and I said a lot of times in my all the other previous videos, is price has to come down to this specific level which I'm pointing out. And this level is what is this, 61,347.3. The important thing about this level is specifically right now in the daily time frame. Okay, even if price has to come down, this is that level where BTC will get a major sort of a support. And that support which I am pointing out, the support, if the BTC gets here in this specific price level, then BTC will try, and most likely and will happen, and the BTC will attempt to go for this level, 74,500 level. This is the level which BTC has to go for in the midterm. In a short term, well, we have some resistance, which is this one in the daily time frame. But again, we will be covering some resistance and some other support in the other lower time frame. My analysis has to do with the multi-time frame analysis. Currently, I'm analyzing the market in a daily time frame and in a daily time frame. And as I also said, each time frame has its own level. So in the daily time frame, this is the most important level, 61. As I already said, it 61, whatever this price level 61, which you guys can see in the right side of the screen, 61 340, whatever. And uh, if BTC in this daily time frame keep on trading above this level, not even going for the downside, not even closing in a daily candle in below this level, then BTC will attempt for this level in the midterm. Yeah, midterm. Mid in some short term is different, but midterm maybe take more than month or so. But eventually, what this BTC has to do is BTC will go for this price level. So the level we have in the daily time frame is this one. Now let's do the analysis in the 4-hour time frame, lower than the daily time frame, and let me just add this level here. And just to be accurate, I want to be very accurate with these level, because I don't want the levels to be different from what my indicator is pointing out. So I'm just going to mark the same price level which my indicator is pointing out at this in this daily time frame. So this is daily time frame level, and I'm gonna mention this as a daily, T as in daily. Now let's do the analysis, and let me just point out this thing as a daily major support. And let me tell you this, a lot of people who are thinking the market is going to go for the downside from here, let me add the condition and the scenarios for that to happen. And eventually those who are who are in the short trade from this price level where the price is trading at this moment, they are good to go, or they are good as long as price is trading first of all up to this level. They are good to go with that short position. Once the price reaches down to this level, then there will be no further downside for this BTC. The BTC will no longer gonna go below this level. So the scenario which I'm talking about, that's only possible if at any daily candle price will break below this level and keep on trading below this level, and then only it's possible for those people who are in the short position. The confirmed short position is only when price break below this level and keep on trading below this level. That's the only condition for the downside, for the continuation for the downside. But as a moment, at this moment when I'm recording, price is trading here, and this entire section, these levels is for the downside, and this much is this BTC will go for. Now those who are in the short position here in this price level, or either in any of these in this particular price levels, then they are good to go as long as price is here. From here, the only position, oh, did I mention the disclaimer? Anyway, so the levels which I'm talking about, okay, let me just add the disclaimer, which is important. The levels which I'm talking about here in my this video, which I'm sharing, and in all the other videos which I have shared, and in the future videos which I will be sharing, has nothing to do with any sort of a financial decision. Please do your own research or seek financial advisors help. So yeah, so from let's continue. From here onwards, price only go, or attempt for the upside from this the price level which I'm pointing out from here in this price level. So the good or the valid side for entering in the market from this price level is long only. Okay, that's the this is what we have in the daily time frame. Let's continue the analysis in uh, in the lower time frame below the daily time frame, which in my case I am using the 4 hour time frame, and 4 hour time frame I consider as a gateway sort of a, either price will go for the up or downside. Tells it's clear in the 4 hour time frame. So here in the okay, this is the daily, this level which I have marked in the daily time frame. This is the same daily level which we can see in the 4 hour. Now to now come to think of the analysis in 4 hour. Currently the price where the BTC is trading, which is here, I need to use this, which is trading here. Let's suppose BTC, even, you know there is a chances BTC even not going to go for this level. Let's assume for the moment the condition which I have in my 4 hour time frame is first of all this level. This is the 4 hour level, 4 hour, and this is a support. Okay, and let me just add this level also, which is, and I want to be very accurate, precise on the base of the indicator, which my indicator which is pointing out. So let me just be very, very, very accurate. Okay, now we have this. Bring it front, and let's point out this as 4 hour and resistance. So in this 4 hour time frame, there are two price level which we should be focusing on. The first one is this 4 hour resistance, and this one is 4 hour support. These are the two levels in the 4 hour time frame. The BTC has to do something about these levels. What I mean by that is, this is this 4 hour support which I have marked, which is 62 380.6. This is one of that level which BTC in 4 hour time frame has respected or taken a support multiple times here in these areas. So if price, let's say, started showing some bearish, or in the coming days, if the BTC falls from here, this is going to be the first price level BTC will take a support. Okay, and the condition and the scenario which BTC has to fulfill for further downtrend for this price level, which I talked about in the daily time frame analysis, is uh, if price go for the downside and price closed below this level here after this downfall, and price trading somewhere here at any 4 hour time frame candle, if price closed below this level and started trading below this level, then the chances of going for this level is very, very high, because this is the major support, higher time frame major support. So there, I think in terms of probabilities, the probability, I think I already said it. Price has to break below the level, and then only it's possible. But if price, suppose the price did not close, then after the fall, price keep on trading above this level, then the condition or the scenario might be different here, because that will leading the prices to attempt to break this level for our resistance. This 4 hour resistance, which is 63,567 level. So in terms of price action, just taking some this what path, either from here price will go and attempt to break this level, and chances are less, and eventually in the coming days, in this next week, price well, yeah, this is the first thing which price will try to do, or even tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow, price will try to test or retest or try to break this level here for the upside. If price successfully close above the this level and form some sort of a good bullish candle, then what price will try to do is price will take this level as a support and then continue for this level. This is one of the scenarios, because here from this, I mean, this is one of the analysis which I've also shared, but never mind with that part. From here till this price action, which is a downtrend, price took a support here. I mean, this is the low in this 4 hour time frame, and this low formed slightly above this level. So basis of that, I am taking this possibility here. Now the other possibility is, if I remove this thing, let's do this. The other possibility is price will attempt this level and may gonna break the level. Then during the support, eventually this level will try it will become a support. So during this support, price may gonna fall below the level, and then this become a resistance, and then price will come down to this level. This is the second scenario in a 4 hour time frame. And then eventually price even go further down, breaking this level, and then price will go for this level in this coming week. And from here onwards, price will do some this sort of a attempt, because this level will become a resistance, and eventually it will be broken, and then something like this sort of a price action we might gonna see with this BTC. So I don't know how long this video is, how long it's been I've been recording. Okay, this is what we have. I'm not gonna cover the analysis for 1 hour and 15 minutes, because this is the whole thing which is going to happen with the BTC, and I try to share the most possible price action on the base of the price level which we have. And again, this is not any kind of a recommendation or suggestion about the trading, so please do your own research. And finally, do like the videos if you think the video brings any value in your analysis, and subscribe and click the notification for any sort of future update or whatever. So yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video.